On the top left, you'll see your email address. This is the one provided by our system. All your messages sent and received through this email will appear here. You'll find folders like Inbox, Sent, Trash, Spam, Important, and Drafts. Click the Add icon to effortlessly create a new folder and categorize emails. Type the new folder name to start organizing your emails your way. Hit Add to instantly create your new email folder and boost efficiency. Click OK to complete your action and return to the inbox. To send a new email, click the Compose icon. Enter the recipient's email address. Enter subject. If you'd like to send a secure email, simply toggle the secure email switch before sending and hit send. Next, click on the email that came in from your customer. In there, you have the Move to icon, click it. From here, you can move this email to any folder you want. You can directly download it or save it as a document on this portal. Simply select a folder and save it. You can also add that file directly to your documents, just click it. Go ahead and select your loan file. Then select the document category. Next, choose the document type. If you want to add a description, you can add it. And then just click Save. And that's it. This is your complete email hub where you can manage, organize, and send emails securely all in one place.